blood products, you want to use a wide bore cannula. And in terms of consent, right? So we did a bit about consent yesterday. How would you gain consent from a patient to have a cannula?
Okay, so if Mr. X, I'm here to take some blood samples from your arm, is that all right?
Yes. Good. But when you say I'm here to take blood samples from your arm, that could be just venipuncture. That could just be I'm just going to take some blood from your arm. But a cannula is something that I'm going to place into your arm.
Okay.
And I'm going to leave it there, and this will give us access in case we need to give you some medication, fluids, or whatever else. And it means that, God forbid, if you become poorly, we're able to get medicine into you very quickly. So, once you've gained consent, do you want to show me what you would do? So let's put this down. There you are.
Sure.